Hello everyone, tgmtechteam here. Today we'll be unboxing the Brainwavz S0. So thank you Brainwavz so much for sending out this product for me to check out. And this is all metal in-ear stereo earphones, and so I will have a look. So let's have a look around the box. So at the back it says what comes inside the box, but we're going to have a look what comes inside the box anyway, so we don't need to look at that. Then some information. I did hear that it has noise isolation. These are noise isolation earphones, so I'll have to test that out. So there's nothing much around the box. Pretty straightforward, to be honest. Now, getting this out is quite tough without ripping anything and knocking over anything. So with these earphones you get 24 months warranty. It's very faint, but you can see it. And yeah, just says Brainwavz here. And the box is like, I don't know, it's a bit bland, I would say. Like nothing too exciting, kind of like this creamy purple. I don't know, I'm not a big fan of this color here. But when we open it up, boom, and all the colors spread out at you. So they've got a bit of description here, a bit about Brainwavz and their website and their social media accounts. So I will link them in the description below for you guys to check them out. So let's have a look. So we get the case straight away, and this, thank you for choosing Brainwavz. Enjoy your new earphones. Thank you. I will hopefully enjoy them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You literally just get a case and the box is just foam around it. So let's have a look what we get inside the case. Right, so inside the case we got in-ear earphones user guide. So let's have a look. And also the warranty card at the bottom. So volume up, quick press, one quick press to answer calls, end calls, switch to the second caller, return to the original call, and press twice, or press and hold for 2 seconds to reject the call, and then quick press for volume down. Media controls. Play, quick press for play and pause. Next song, double press, and the previous song, press 3 times. Rewind. Oh, that's a new one. 3 quick presses and hold. Fast forward, 2 quick presses and hold. That's actually very convenient. I've never seen any earphone company do that. That's the first one I've seen, which is pretty cool. It tells you how to roll the earphones or safely store them, which is very nice. And cleaning care, and some cleaning care instructions. How to wear them, over ear style, or just straight inside the ear. However you choose, you can choose them both ways. How to remove the special foam tips. They give you a very good user guide, very interactive, which I like and appreciate. A nice, very nice Velcro strap here that says Brainwavz in it. We'll have a look at the earphones later. We also get a clip. Got some foam tips, some premium earphone tips. Premium's a big word. And then we got many different other little foam tips that I will try to open. Look how many foam tips you have. So surely for any kind of ear that you have, the foam tips or tips should fit, and they should fit comfortably. So you got like a 3-layer, a 2-layer, a 3-layer, 2-layer, and then you got different sizes, different colors, so very customizable, which I like. So we're moving on to the earphones themselves, and it's a metal build. You can hear that. So the inline controls are actually pretty good. They're very clicky. I'll put it up. So they're very clicky, and the auxiliary cord does not seem like it's going to break anytime soon. So it's very durable, and it's gold plated, or probably, I don't know. Then you got the little chin strap here, so you can slide it up to adjust how big the size you want it to be. What else should I say? I guess that's pretty much it that comes in the box. You saw it yourself, and yeah, I'll just have to test it. I believe that they also have microphones here as well. So these two are little microphones, and they've got one here. So it's a flat cable as well, very rubbery, and doesn't feel like it's going to break anytime soon, which is great. Can't wait to try these earphones. So that's pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I will really like to test these earphones out and see how good they are, and how they are under running, sweats and rain even, and just see how they work day to day and if it's really worth buying. So hopefully you guys can check out the review if I have done it. Check in the description below. If I haven't, just subscribe to the channel so that you'll be the first to see it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So hopefully you enjoy this video. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, and don't forget to click that subscribe button, as it really helps out this channel a lot. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!